Me, sometimes I just go. And sometimes I just come back. I just right now just feel like my God.
Oh God, welcome back, guys. Don Mills, a talented creative individual with expertise in content creation, storytelling, and animation, is here to explore the inspirations behind his work and provide insights into his successful tactics for staying current and engaging his audience. Don, good morning.
Hi, good morning.
So hold on a no, because everybody been seeing the animations across social media. You are the face, you are the person, the brain, the hands, the ideas of bringing this whole thing to life in an animated way.
Right, I am.
Take us to the top, Don. How did this begin?
It began when I was very, very small and I really wanted to make cartoons. Love cartoons all my life, still love cartoons. I watch cartoons every day, and it just, my love for art kind of just wrapped into that. And then when I got older and I became a good artist, you know, I'm like, what me did want to do again? Animation. so I dropped back in and I made sure to like teach myself certain things, and that's how I got here. I also went to art school, and that helped a lot.
You did. You went to Edna Manley. So big up to everybody who went to Edna Manley, seeing, you know, a fellow Edna Manley student doing big things. That's amazing, right? But the world of animation is still very new to Jamaica, I think so, right? How has that been for you, though, in terms of getting the resources that you may need to bring all these ideas to life?
It is very new. Even when I was at Edna, I was ahead of the set that actually got to do animation as a degree, so I didn't even get to do it as a degree. I'm mostly self-taught. And it hasn't really been a problem in terms, because people are very open to it, people love it. But it's just finding the style that people love, that can really grab people, especially the Jamaican audience being so different culturally. And dynamic, but it hasn't been a problem. It's been great. That's
good to hear, because you know we've been watching cartoon all our life, Dan. You know this. We grew up and watch cartoon on TVJ all the time, Tom and Jerry and everything. But to see our actual people, or lingua, you know, or behaviors, those things that are synonymous with being a Jamaican coming to life is really, really amazing. What has the feedback been like for you?
It has been great. People message me every day. Them love the cartoon. Them watch them before them got in bed.
Yeah.
From little picnic, Dongani, to the oldest person enjoy the cartoons, and I just wish I could do them more and faster. That's all. But people love them.
But what's stopping you though from doing them more for sure? Is it that you're the only person, a part of your Therdworld team that's doing it? Because your media house is called Therdworld Media, right?
Yeah, Therdworld Creations.
Okay, Therdworld Creation, gotcha.
Right. I'm not the only person. I'm just the only animator. I have a friend that he helps me out with a lot of the stuff, a lot of the music videos that I did in the past. That's Jin, big up Jin. So it's not really me alone, but for most of the work that I have going on right now, it's me alone. And the work is very time consuming. I wouldn't say it's hard, but time consuming. So like if you have an animation, if I have an animation working on it, and I want it to be done tomorrow, but it can't done tomorrow, there is nothing that is going to get me to get it to be done by tomorrow. So I really have to pace myself with it. So that's why I don't get to do it more, and
fast as you'd want to.
As fast as I would want to, but I'm getting better.
No, it's good. And I mean, there's a question here on this run that says I should ask you about your inspiration for these animation pieces. But listen, we are walking inspirations every single day. Jamaicans, the way we talk, the way we do things, the way we behave. Let's watch 7 o'clock news.
Literally, right? Literally. I am constantly inspired. I have no lack of inspiration. I am inspired by everything around me, literally. So there is no lack of inspiration, or I have to go looking. Things just come to me. So even when I'm choosing the animations, people always ask me like, how you choose, how you pick which one you're going to do next, and so forth. They literally just come to me. I find them. It's whatever I'm scrolling on TikTok and I see it, and I like it, and I find a way to present it in a way that everybody else loves it, and it just comes off. No,
absolutely. And I mean, one of the ones that people, seem to have caught on to and love, well, they're both of them right now. The latest one was the one with the report about the boat that was sinking, but also the one for Anthony Miller and his comment, after an audition. So that's the one that a lot of people have come to know you for. Do we have it? Can we play it? Yeah, I think I was listening to it earlier on, Jeff. Okay, so we soon play it. Don't worry about that. We soon play it. But you know what's interesting to me, Don? The fact that we do have animators in Jamaica.
Yes.
But we don't have that many animators who will choose Jamaican content to actually work with. We find people doing more Asian type animations versus looking for the content and the culture around them to put on, you know, to put together in terms of a final piece.
Yeah, I've always found that to be interesting as well.
Yeah.
Because I have always done mostly Jamaican content. Even if I was supposed to do something anime related, I would very often find myself trying to Jamaicanize it. For example, even I have a picture of Goku on my profile right now, and it's like with locks, it's like me, you know. So I always, and that's anime, that's Japanese. So I always try to find a way to bring it back home.
Yeah.
And as I say, home is very inspiring. I have no lack of inspiration here. So for animators that do that, probably it's because that's what they used to.
Yeah.
They grew up watching a lot of anime. I grew up watching a lot of anime, so they just end up, you know, following that pattern and wanting to draw manga instead of, you know, that kind of horror.
So we have the Rising Stars video right now, guys. I'm sure you've seen this one. Take a look.
Not anytime soon, Regina. Thank you.
From the top.
When will I see you again?
Not anytime soon, Regina. Thank you.
Regina likes it, by the way.
Regina likes it?
Yeah, she
You've
does.
spoken to her?
She commented on TikTok. She found the video, and she likes it. It looks like her. So
Well, and Anthony Miller told you.
yes,
Straight up,
Anthony likes it.
Yeah.
So, yeah, I'm glad for that.
What's going to be next for you?
Next for me, I have a lot of stuff that I'm currently working on. A lot of corporate stuff. That's outside of my regular realm, you know. But I would like to put a lot of artwork on YouTube. Get some longer content or some longer format content.
I was going to ask you about that, yeah.
And also collaborating with a lot of different people, not just influencers, but anybody that I can find that we have the right vibe, that kind of synergy, and we'll just keep making great artwork.
Yeah.
Just amazing stuff.
Animation is an expensive industry. We know that for sure, right? It takes a lot to do it. But if there are persons there who are watching us this morning and they would like to get in touch with you to help you to bring about, you know, more of your work, how could they get in contact with you?
I can be contacted at Therdworld. That's THERD World, Therdworld, on everything: Instagram, TikTok, Twitter. And I'm also on YouTube as Therdworld Creations. So yeah, subscribe.
And in 10 seconds, why Therdworld though?
It's a name I got from college. My name, Third. You know, like when you just go and on hostel, on hall, and they give you a hall name.
Oh,
yeah, so Third
your hall name was Third?
Name. Yeah, Don Third. So.
Don, big up yourself. Thanks for the laughter.
Big up.
And thanks for just taking our culture and putting it in a beautiful way, a wonderful spin on things. Love it. Don Mills, creator and animator of Therdworld Creations. More to come when we return right here on Weekend Smile. Stay with us. Really cool stuff.
When will I see you again?
Not anytime soon, Regina. Thank you.